The next arranging technique we're going to look at is harmonizing in thirds or sixths. So we're talking about two-part harmony. We have a melody note and a harmony note below in the interval of a third or a sixth below the melody. And keep in mind, this is diatonic to the chord symbol on that beat, not the key signature. When possible, you want to try to use a chord tone, 1, 3, 5, or 7, to harmonize in the interval of a third or sixth. And there's some options where you don't have great choices, and we'll look at that coming up in Ladybird. Some considerations you got to keep in mind are parallel versus contrary motion. Do you want to have the harmony note move in the same direction as the melody or opposite? Instrument ranges, making sure that everyone's playing in comfortable registers. Voice leading, smooth voice leading from one note to the next. We want to avoid huge leaps unless the melody is doing that. Then we don't often have a choice. And then the last question is, we have two-part harmony, but we're doing an arrangement with 3 horns. So the big question is, what do you do with that third horn?